Hello, today I'll be telling you if you can stream Disney Plus on Discord. Well, yes, you just need to find a TV show or a movie you want to watch, then go on to Discord, into your server, click on a voice channel. Then if you click on share your screen and you can't see the Disney Plus window, just click on cancel, go to settings, then scroll down and click on registered games. Here you can just click on this button to add a browser where Disney Plus is playing. Click on add game and now it should be recognized, and if the audio wasn't working before, now it should. Then click on escape and here you can just click on stream Brave or any other browser you use and click on go live. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.